So yeah, doing armholes, underarms as an absolute swine. So I thought the best thing to do was just to...
Fashion shows around the world have returned as live events, but a special group has been promoting renewable fashion. A group called Street Stitchers has been sitting outside fast fashion shops. They sit on chairs and sew damaged clothes. This has happened in 15 countries. The leader of the group is Suzi Warren.
Possible. So we're just kind of showing there is an alternative to just buying a lot of quick, cheap, disposable clothes by repairing and mending and keeping things and kind of loving them back to life.
The Street Stitchers are promoting Sustainable Fashion Week. They hope to remind people how to fix clothes and make new ones. They would like to reduce the amount of clothes in dumps. They want to show people that they don't need fast fashion. Madeline Tonato, a street stitcher, hopes that people will see the sewing and start doing it at home too.
And I hope that by just seeing people stitching, this was my mother's, something that was my son's, or something very simple, and also being in a sort of busy high street can help people understand that it's not something that's beyond them.
The group has a QR code to their website with information about sewing and fixing clothes. Anyone can use it, from beginners to experts. Glo Sherman saw the group and remembered she had the skill.
Recently I've done more of it, and it's because people have reminded me that it's better to repair these things, and also because there are clothes I have I really like, and I don't want to get rid of them. So it's really